How's it going today, everybody? Welcome back to Troy's Hobbies RC. Today on the channel, we're going to take the Arrma Quake back out for a bit of a redemption run. In the first run video that you guys saw with this, I did have some plans to take this thing out and do more with it. But unfortunately, we only got through the speed run portion of the video. We were able to achieve the mid 30 mile per hour range on 2S, and we were only able to achieve 37 to 38 miles an hour on 3S. And the reason for that was this truck actually had a faulty ESC from the box. And so I had to take this back to the store and have the gentleman at the store do a factory warranty on the ESC and speed controller. So today we're going to take it back out, see if the problem is solved, and we'll see what else this truck is capable of. Alright everybody, we're going to try again on these speed runs here. I've got my phone there, my extra phone, linked to the GPS. So let's see if we can get a new top speed. This first run will be on 2S. Alright guys, here we go. First run on 2S. Let's see if we can break our previous top speed. Whoa, there's a bump in the road there. All right, everybody, we're on the right track already. As you can see right there, 2S, we got a top speed of 39 miles an hour. That's already faster than it was previously on 3S. So let's go ahead and put the 3S battery in and see what the ESC is doing now. All right, everybody, here we go. Speed run. This is on 3S now. We're just here on my street outside of my house, so I got to be extra careful not to hit anybody's cars or anything. So let's give this a shot and see how fast we can get. Wow. This thing takes off now. I have to give myself a little bit of room here. Well, that was scary. The braking on this truck is less than ideal. I hit the brakes as hard as I could and it went flying into the road. So we have to be extra careful with this truck. This will be the last time I try a speed run on this truck. All right, we hit start. Let's see what we can get. It's almost so fast you can barely drive it. Wow, this thing is a rocket ship, guys. It is hard to drive. Let's go see what the top speed was. All right, everybody. After that 3S speed run, we hit 49 miles an hour on the dot. So without the weight of the phone, it probably would have hit 50 pretty easily. And we still had more in it for sure. There's definitely probably 55 plus in this truck if you can keep the front end down and keep the wheels planted. All right, everybody, those were some quick speed runs with the Arrma Quake. I went ahead and switched back to the 2S battery. So let's see how this thing handles the new backyard racetrack. Let's do some backyard bashing and see what this thing can do. It won't quite do a backflip on 2S. All right, everybody, we're out here with the Quake. We brought it out here to the baseball diamonds to run it here on 3S. The 3S battery is just really, really overpowered for the backyard. So we can really stretch out the legs and see what it can do and hit the big jump here on 3S out here at the diamond. It's so loose out here, guys. Alright, everybody, it's going to be it for today on Troy's Hobbies RC. That was a quick redemption run, an actual true first run of our new Arrma Quake here. We were able to achieve 39 miles an hour on 2S and 49 miles an hour on 3S on road. We drove it in various conditions today on 2S and 3S, backyard bashing and some open baseball diamond bashing with some big ramps. So that's kind of a general overview of how this truck runs or performs. It's definitely one of the best trucks to release in the 2025 calendar year. I'm very impressed with the Arrma Quake. It's everything that the Gorgon is, just upgraded with extra speed and power. So you guys look forward to seeing more of this truck here in the future. I have some interesting things here in the near future for the two-wheel drive trucks. And you'll see the Quake here again very soon. So thanks again for watching Troy's Hobbies RC. Like the video if you guys enjoyed it. Subscribe if you're new. Make sure you follow us on all of our social media, Facebook and Instagram at Troy's Hobbies RC, as well as troyshobbiesrc.com, which is our website where you can find all of the rules and information for Colorado RC Monster Truck Challenge. So that's going to be it for today, you guys. See you later.